Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is August 8th. It's Friday. Friday. Yay. We've had a wild week. Yeah. So, what's going to happen on the last day of this week? What do we got going on? We only have one U.S. item on the calendar today, and that is FOMC member Muslim speaking at 10:20 a.m. And that is it. So, very low, if non-existent, scheduled news day today. Maybe the market needs a little bit of a break from the news. We'll have to wait and see. Let's look at charts. So we've got a couple of things going on here that I kind of want to highlight, and that is pretty simple stuff, but still, when you see this candle top, so it went up, it put in a new high, and then it rejected. So that is a screaming rejection of price up here at the top. We had that big down day on heavy volume, followed by another day of heavy volume. So that's interesting. Now, the other thing that's interesting is that we had another massive rejection day. Massive. I mean, this is crazy, the amount of that wick, the size of that wick. This is screaming price rejection. So what does price rejection mean? It means it goes up to a certain price and it says, we're not going any farther at all. We're going back down. And so when you have price rejection, especially up at the market highs like this, it is signaling that the market is starting to top out. At least that's the way I'm interpreting it. We had a little bit of increased volume, slightly above average yesterday, gapping up this morning. But this is very concerning as to showing price rejection up here at the tops of the market. We are above all the moving averages. We're still bullish. But that being said, there is certainly some weakness or some, something to be worried about a little bit on this bull run, or these giant rejection candles that you're seeing, price rejection candles. So there you have that. Moving on, looking at inventory. Inventory was negative and price action was negative yesterday. So those are correlated, nothing to write home about. Moving on, overnight action, approximately 20 points. So we go from yesterday where it was 59 to 20. Suddenly there's nobody interested in trading, overnight. What does that mean? I don't know. All it means to me is that the market does not know where it wants to go. And at least overnight, it decided to go nowhere. So where do we have support and resistance? 6,400. Everybody watching that number. We stay below it. It's kind of ugly. We get above 6,400. You got some resistance at 6,406. Got some confluence. We've talked about this a couple days in a row now. 6,420 all the way up to 6,426. So about a 6.7 point band here of resistance above that. 6,432. Support, on the other hand, dropping down. The overnight low, of course, we'll be interested in that at 63.69, 63.61. The whole number is 63.50. I'll be watching that. Got a couple of minor levels, some confluence down here at 63.33, 63.20-ish. Yeah, it's lining up. When you have this little movement overnight, it certainly lets me think that maybe we're going to have a sideways day today on Friday, but who knows? Fridays are crazy. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 52.4. 52.4 from the Stock Trader's Almanac. It's all I've got for you today. I hope you have a great Friday, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.